Alright, so if you download my soundboard, I wanted to show you how I got images and audio. So first I go to Giphy. I like the animated GIFs, and so I'm going to say I'm looking for closing time. Oh, closing time. Sure. Let's go with this one. I click it, then I right click it, I save image, closing time. That's my image that I'm going to want. So just I stick with that for a second. Now I want to find an audio that has closing time. So I search closing time, and oh, semisonic closing time. I go over here. There it is, semisonic closing time. I listen to the audio. There it is. I want that little bit that just showed up, closing time. So I come over to a third program, Audacity. I'll put the links in there for you to get it. Audacity, you can record and edit audio files. It's free. So I need to get the audio that's coming out of the speakers, but not with the microphone, just through the video audio card. So I go to NME, I choose the one that's not a mic. You might have to mess with yours a little bit. And then it doesn't matter if it's stereo or mono, whatever you like. Okay, so I start recording, start playing, closing time, and that's all I wanted. So stop. I know I'm not going to want all the blank before and all the blank after, so let's listen. Closing time. No, and I even want to cut this off at the end. There we go. Let's hear it again. Closing time. Okay, so now I have what I want. I do File, Export. Export as an MP3. I name it closing time, but not GIF, because that's the image. I don't want to save right over it. I just leave it as closing time. I'm already in the downloads folder. I don't really need to change anything else. I just hit save. Okay. My files should be sitting right there. Both the closing times. Now I go over and I put it in my soundboard like this, pretty quickly actually. Closing time. You know what? I don't like that old one, so I'm going to put closing time there, and I'm going to change. It used to be a different song. I can change the name, or I can leave it. Hit enter. There it is, and it should show closing time as many times as I want. Closing time. And that's how you make an audio and image to put into your soundboard.